Are your Instagram stories not showing on your iPhone? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this stories not showing problem. So let's solve it. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection, then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try turning on and off airplane mode. Force close Instagram app. Turn off VPN if connected. If you are still facing this issue, try advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 2. Check Instagram app update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available here, then update the app. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. That's it. These steps should solve the Instagram not showing problem on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.